To use a PayPal prepaid card, start by activating it online or by phone, following the instructions provided with the card. Once activated, you can load funds onto the card using your PayPal account, direct deposit, or at a participating retail location. To make purchases online or in store, simply swipe the card or enter the card number, expiration date, and security code as you would with any other debit or credit card. You can also use the card to withdraw cash at an ATM, although some fees may apply. When shopping online, select PayPal as the payment method and enter your prepaid card information to complete the transaction. Keep in mind that your available balance will be deducted from the card, so ensure you have sufficient funds before making a purchase. To manage your card and track transactions, log into your PayPal account online or through the mobile app. Here you can view your balance, transaction history, and card details, as well as update your account information and set up notifications. To avoid declined transactions, regularly check your balance and ensure it covers the purchase amount, including any applicable fees. Additionally, be aware of any daily spending limits or restrictions on certain types of transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your PayPal prepaid card for everyday purchases, online transactions, and cash withdrawals, while also managing your account and tracking your spending.